If you're new, I'm Rainy Unique. If you're not new, then dang, my bun is wobbed. Hold on, I'll be back. I gotta fix it. I'm so tired. Okay, so today I'm going to do a clean with me speed edition. My house is kind of sort of in shambles, so I'm gonna clean it up with you guys. And yeah, I'm trying to see where to look. This lighting is so much better. Okay, so we're gonna do a clean with me. I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna speed it up so y'all can see me clean it up. Yeah, let's get right into it. I'm gonna show y'all the results when I finish cleaning it up. Yeah, so here we go. Okay, y'all, I'm done. So I'm gonna show y'all what I did. I didn't make it to my closet and I didn't make it to my room only because I need to go to Walmart because I need to go get some washing detergent because I need to wash like I told y'all earlier. So I'm just gonna show y'all everything I've done so far, which is this mirror. I cleaned my favorite piece in the house. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? She got no them angles, girl. I'm so cute, bitch. Okay, but anyways, so cleaned up, fluffed up my pillows, vacuum, got my little thing together. I dust my little entertainment thingy. I got it all nice and clean. I cleaned up the kitchen. My dishwasher is going. Wiped off my little garbage can. It's clean for the most part. And then that's nice. My bathroom is clean. You know what I'm saying? Got the that is cleaned. My toilet, put some more tissue out because this was the only roll I had left out. I refilled this, my Q-tips. Refill my Q-tips. This mirror right here just never wants to get clean for some reason, but it's so cute. Look at this booty. I've been going to the gym. Can y'all tell? Hold on, I gave myself a wedgie. I'm so little. See that? This top is from Target. They had all colors, $5, so I had to grab a few. And then these are Walmart leggings. Got my booty. Thick bitch. But anyways, the house is clean. So I'll catch y'all. Let me see what lightning. It looks like I'm sweating. My forehead is so damn big. Anyways, I'll catch you, ladies and gentlemen, in the next video. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, thumbs up, everything if you like the video.